guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today is the day. If you tuned in last week, you know that I wrote a book that is being released on Amazon today. It's called She Said He. It's a really awesome story that takes place on a college campus, which is why we are doing college-themed recipes in honor of the release of my book. I have worked so hard on this book. It literally took years to get to this point, and I am so excited to share it with you. You know, I didn't know if you would be interested in, some of the other things that I do, but I thought, you guys tune in every week to hang out with me in my kitchen, so why not share it here as well? So again, my book is officially available on Amazon, She Said He by Caitlin Gola. So if you feel like supporting me, guys, it would mean so much to me. I hate, self-promotion. You know that I'm a very easygoing person, but really just like a successful YouTube channel that depends on viewership and an audience like you guys, books, people have to buy them, right? So if you feel like supporting me, please go buy my book. It's just $5.99. You could download it on the Kindle app. You don't even need to have a Kindle. You could just download the app right on your phone, and it would really mean so much to me. So thank you, and I know that you're here for the food, so we'll get back to that, but I really am so excited to share this news with you. So for the second recipe of my upscale college food, we are making homemade Hot Pockets. Now, this was something that when I was in college, every night when I came home from going out, back when I was super tiny and could eat whatever I want, I would have a Hot Pocket before going to bed. I had two favorite kinds, the pepperoni pizza and the turkey bacon cheddar. So I'm gonna make homemade Hot Pockets for you here today. I like to think that they're probably, a little bit healthier for you than the Hot Pockets in the frozen aisle, but they're definitely extra delicious because we get to add some fun flavors to them. So today we are making pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets and turkey bacon cheddar, and it's gonna be freaking fabulous. So the easiest way to make these Hot Pockets is getting one thin crust Pillsbury pizza dough pack. It makes 6 perfect Hot Pockets. It's like the perfect amount, and that way you don't have to make homemade dough. You're then gonna spread out your dough onto a cutting board like this and cut it into 6 even kind of rectangle square type shapes. So we're gonna make 3 of each, 3 of our pepperoni pizza and 3 of our turkey bacon cheddar. But fun thing that I like to do, and I'm telling you, this is the game changer, is I like to season the dough before I put everything else in. So in my pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets, I'm gonna do like an Italian blend of oregano, garlic, onion powder, pepper, and parsley. There we go. And then in my turkey bacon cheddar, I'm gonna do just a little bit of garlic, onion powder, and parsley. So we'll start with our pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets. We're gonna add just a little bit of tomato sauce towards one side of the pocket because we're gonna actually roll them up. So you're gonna wanna put it towards the back. Now, you don't wanna have too much sauce because although sauce is amazing, you don't want them to be like so saucy that the sauce is overflowing out. So you want to have a good amount, but not too much. So I think that's about perfect. After that, we're going to just lay down some pepperoni. Again, we're going to stick to one side because we're going to roll this up almost like a little burrito or a wrap. We're going to just get in our pepperoni there. Now the pepperoni, on the other hand, you don't have to be careful with. If you like pepperoni, go ahead and really kind of get it in there. We're going to do a little bit of a second row here. And then we're gonna do a mozzarella and a Parmesan cheese blend. So you want that cheese in there. So just put it right over top. For our turkey bacon cheddar, we're gonna follow a similar process. I just have some thick sliced turkey. If you actually ask the deli to cut your turkey a little bit thicker, that's perfect. You don't want it to be too thin. It doesn't really have like the texture that you want in the Hot Pocket. So you're gonna actually just have to get like a thick cut turkey. After that, I have some uncured bacon bits. I don't like anything with added nitrates, so I try to always get something that's a little bit healthier for you, but any bacon bits would do. Just kind of a diced up bacon would work. And then same thing, we're gonna just add our cheddar cheese right over top. So after we have our Hot Pockets all prepared, we're gonna preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and we're gonna start rolling them up. So you're gonna just kind of take them like a little burrito, fold in the sides, and then roll. So you're gonna fold as you go, like such, and then kind of press them down. So again, you just kind of fold in the sides, roll it, fold as you go as well, and then press down. So after you have them all rolled up, you're gonna just take some butter and brush it along the outside. This is gonna give it a nice golden brown color and make it like that crispy on the outside, super hot on the inside. You know, we've all burned our tongue on a Hot Pocket. Not wanting to wait when it comes out of the microwave, right? And then they're going into your 425-degree oven for about 8 minutes or so. You know they're done when they're nice and golden brown, and then everything on the inside will be all melty too, and trust me, you're gonna love them. And after that 8 to 10 minutes in your oven, your homemade Hot Pockets are done. Dig in, you deserve it, but make sure that you let them chill for a second, because like I said, we've all went way too fast and burnt our tongue. Thank you for watching this video and listening about my book. It really means a lot to me, guys, that you're here every week with me in my kitchen, and I hope that you feel like supporting me in my other ventures as well. If not, totally understand, but I would certainly love it. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and hey, we're gonna have a pretty fun time with this college series, so tune back for more amazing recipes that remind you of the good old days, but are a little bit more upscale, because hey, we're adults. See you next time, bye-bye.